Hello everyone, and welcome back to Robinhood Coins. This is TJ, and it is Saturday, so me and my little helpers get to pick the winners from our giveaways on our videos posted between August 25th through August 30th. For anyone new to the channel, we enjoy doing bill searches and coin roll hunts, and we give away something we find from every hunt. All you have to do to enter these giveaways is just comment on the video, and then be sure to watch our Saturday winners video, just like today's video, to see if you won. So let's go over what we're giving away today. First off, we're giving away a 1964 Kennedy to someone that commented on our August 25th comment video for our live stream. Then, someone that commented on our Robinhood Coins giveaway winners announcement video last week is going to win a 1962 Benji. Someone else that commented on that video is going to win a 1964 Kennedy. And then finally, someone that commented on last Sunday's $half hunt where we found a couple silvers, that was fun, is going to win a pair of 1967, my favorite 80% Kennedy right here. Just a quick reminder, if you win, you need to claim your prize within 7 days by emailing me at robinhoodcoins@yahoo.com and let me know your YouTube channel name. That way we can connect your email with your YouTube name, and then I can shoot you a link so that way you can claim your prize on my website, robinhoodcoins.com. That way you put in your information for shipping, and that way I don't mess it up, and then we'll get it shipped out to you. So let's go ahead and pick those winners. So we have both of our little helpers here.
Hi!
And we are ready to pick the winners. And so we're going to kick it off with the comment video on August 25th. How many commenters?
188.
All right. The littlest helper is driving the mouse, and the little helper is going to call off the winner.
Flavored ink 920. If I win, I will be happy.
Well, congratulations, Flavored Ink 920. You did win. You win the 1964 Kennedy. And the littlest helper is going to get us moving on to last week's winners video.
246 more.
That's even more unique commenters. Ty Hitman is the first winner.
Congrats, winners.
I know I'm supposed to let you. Oh, my little helper is killing me over here. I said the name and she was supposed to go back over here. We actually have two winners for this video. So refresh the number of unique commenters. And little helper, you tell us who the second winner is.
Okay.
And this one is for the 1964 Kennedy.
A mountain of coin Accord. Congrats to all winners. Congrats to you.
Yep, so Ty Hitman won the Benji off of that giveaway, and then Mountain of Coin Accord won the 1964 Kennedy. And so the littlest helper is going to get us on to our last video, which is our $half hunt from last week.
222. That's even less.
All right, so let's see who the winner is of the, scroll back up, of the 80% Kennedy.
John Nelson. Great finds. Can't wait to start getting boxes again.
Well, congratulations, John Nelson. You win the 240% Kennedys, a.k.a. 80%er. And for all the winners, don't forget to email me at robinhoodcoins@yahoo.com. Let me know your YouTube channel name, and I'll send you a link to claim your prize.
The Robinhood Coins giveaway for today's video is this beautiful 1957 Benji, and it's a Denver.
And as always, to enter the giveaway, comment on this video, and then be sure to watch next Saturday's winners video, Saturday at noon.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos or giveaways. We will see you on the next hunt.